Good morning, everybody. Welcome into the Venator Trading live stream on YouTube. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday, December the 22nd. It is the final and last stream of 2023, and what a freaking great year it has been. I'm glad you guys are in for the final stream today in this Euro dollar short. Actually trading a futures account here. This was a very easy, simple play right here off of this 30-minute order block. Once you had this big bearish engulfing candle, created this bearish order block. You could have taken the fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame 2022 model for ICT for those interested. But I just used the 30-minute order block, waited for a tap right at the wick of the up close candle. And we just got some news dropped here on the euro dollar itself. Had the personal spending, core price index, personal income, durable goods orders, all of that stuff. So it doesn't matter what the news is. Price moves from liquidity to liquidity. And so sometimes it uses the news to push the volatility down. And so I have moved to break even on that position. But welcome in, guys. This will be my final trade of the day. I'm not taking any more trades after this. The stream today is just for you guys, man. We're giving away. So yesterday, literally this all happened in about the last 24 hours. I was just catching up with Max, the CEO of Bespoke Funding, who sponsors our stream here every day. Bespoke Funding, one of the best in the business for prop firm funding. Incredibly legit and very professional. I highly recommend you check them out. You can use that discount code Venator or use my affiliate link. It helps support the channel. We stream here every day for free, man. We're just here every single day helping people learn the psychology of trading, get better at what it is they're doing and why they're doing it, understanding their systems inside and out, and then just generally having a good time hanging out on the chat every day. So for those of you that have been here for months now, man, I'm so grateful for you. It has been an incredible year. I started this stream in the middle of May and really had no idea what to expect from it. Really had no idea what would happen over the next few months, but it's just been great, man. We've built a small little Venator community. A bunch of little hunters out here every single day looking for our A+ setups, trying to take down those trophy bucks every single day. And it's been good. We've only missed a couple days. We passed 100 streams back in September, so I don't even know what we're up to right now. But we've been on almost every single Monday through Friday. Here in December, we've missed a couple of Mondays. But yeah, man, I mean, it's just been a really, really, really good year. The YouTube channel has just taken off and done fantastic. Picked up the sponsorship from, the only thing that I'm disappointed in this year is that we couldn't get a sponsorship with the Leo Bin Candle Company. We tried really hard to get our sponsorship done with the Leo Bin Candle Company, and we just couldn't get it worked out. But I've got mine lit up today. All good trading vibes going. Autumn Night is the scent. Man, it's a good one. It's not teakwood and oak by any stretch, but it's still a good one. So yesterday, or anyway, I was talking and we were just talking about how the stream had been going this year, and you know how grateful I was for Bespoke's partnership. We've been giving out 10K accounts every single Friday, 10K account every single Friday to Bespoke Funding, really since June, July, something like that. So we've given out, man, probably almost, $500,000 in account challenges as far as funding goes. So pretty cool. And then yesterday, and we gave away a $100,000 account on the 100th live stream. That was also cool. But he was like, hey man, how about for your last stream of the year, you go out big for the Christmas holiday. Let's just give away 100K. And I'm like, let's do it. So here we are. I was going to do a 10K giveaway. We 10x'd it. Doing a 100K giveaway. We'll do it here at the top of the hour. So in about 20 minutes. Sorry, my dog's behind me scratching. I'm trying to figure out why. But let me jump over into the chat. Let's see who's all in here. Partha G was first in today. Sebastian, Benedict, Jenny Z, Ishan, Aswan, Dev, Risk Flare, Jorge Andres Zuleta. What's up? Cisco. What's up, man? AmbiX. Cisco is OG in here for a long time. Beeswax, Corey, of course, Corey, the original viewer. Corey was the very first viewer we had back in May, and he's been here with us ever since. So glad Corey's here today. Mr. Alfie, of course. Success Catalyst, Narayan Maharjan. Thank God it's Friday, buddy. Yes, sir. Haviz, Dunamis Crypto, good morning. Risk Flare, 18 views, 1 like on the video. Y'all slacking. I don't even know what the likes are up to. But let's see here. We got, I don't know, it's like, I think it's like 20 likes. That's what I see. All right, we're getting a wick down here on this. Cleaned out the sell side liquidity here. I was hoping it'd come down to the London target, but it didn't. So it'll probably be a break-even trade for me on that one. Success Catalyst, Dunamis, Hafiz, Risk Flare, Dinkin, the Duke of Key Levels. What's up? And glad you guys are in this morning, and nice to have a little crew built up already. The great whale John Jones has yet to make an appearance. The great white whale. I'm Moby Dick. He is the great white whale. And that is strictly a literary reference, not a physical reference. John, if you're watching. So what is in store for me for 2023? Well, one thing that we have in store is I'll be doing a futures challenge with Top Step Combine, and I will be doing a bespoke challenge. We'll be doing them side by side, a futures versus Forex, basically trade-off is what I'm going to do. So we'll compare and contrast the two live with executions, because I can trade the Euro futures and the Euro dollar. And so I'll be doing a trade-off comparison between the two, between the futures and Forex live on the stream. So that's what I'm going to do in 2024, starting in January. The second week of January, we're not going to stream next week, and I won't stream the first week of January. So I'll be taking a 2-week break from YouTube. We do have a free Discord where we'll probably be hanging out and posting fun stuff throughout. We just have a good time over there, posting memes and making fun of each other, giving each other a hard time. So that's what's kind of coming up in 2024 for me, is Top Step Combine and Bespoke Funding. So I think it'll be interesting to trade both of them live and let you guys see how executions work, how fills work, how drawdown works, which one ultimately ends up coming out on top, in my opinion. Or maybe neither come out on top, and maybe it's just a wash, and you can pick and choose whichever one you want. So that's my plan in 2024. What else do we have? Oh, I've been working on, I know some of you guys have been asking about this. How did the account ended up at... So I finished out the scalping strat that I've been working on FX Replay. I'm just looking here to make sure that there's nothing in here that gives it away. I think we're good. All right, so I can put this up. So on the FX Replay, this is what I've been working on in the background off the stream. So this is January through December, and yeah, it's been really good. Basically a 75% win rate over 242 trades, or at 242 trades. taking one trade a day at an exact specific time. It has a negative risk reward ratio, and I was looking and trying to figure out, can you make money making less than you risk on a consistent basis if you have a very high win rate? And to have a very high win rate means you're going to have to probably scalp and take small aggressive moves. And if you can find a setup that works consistently, basically every single day at a specific time, could you capitalize that over the course of a year? And the answer is, yeah, you can. This specific strategy was risking 1%. We started with a 100K account, and we were risking 1% and was making 0.5%. So there you go, 1% to 0.5%. And 75% win rate, 242 trades, 181 winners, 61 losers. So you won 181 days, you lost 61 days. Let's just go through some of the other stats here that you can see. So there you go, the average risk reward, you win a half. This is really crazy right here. So max win streak was 13. That was the most days in a row that you want to trade. Your average is about 5.5. That's your average range. Your average win streak is 5.5 days. You're going to win a trade on average 5 days in a row. Your average loss is 2. Your max loss streak was 4 days in a row. The average trade duration is 9 minutes. This is you're in and out. Your whole trading day is done in 9 minutes right here. And you can see this is the account age. So I actually did do this. Here's your performance by day. The money you made and lost over the course of the year on per day. Looks like Tuesdays and Wednesdays were your best days as far as your losses and your wins there. And then here is every day that a trade was taken. Here's all of your wins and losses. And then you can see the monthly gains. Now, December isn't finished because it only went up to, when I was doing this data, when I started this, it didn't have this week in it. I went and tested this week on a different, because I couldn't reset this one. I went and retested this one. And based on what happened this week, this would actually be at break even right now as of today. So every month was positive, and December very well could end up positive. I don't know. It depends on if you traded through if you traded through next week all the way through the end of the year, or if you just stopped, or maybe you didn't trade December. I don't know. But currently, based on this week's price action, it would be at break even. So you're making 4, 2.5, 4, almost 5, 1, almost 2. This was an up and down. Basically, June, July, and August, the summer months, or basically break even, just a little bit of profit. And then you were back in the fall with really good profits, 4, 5%, 2%. You can make a freaking killing with 4% a month. You have $1 million. If you're managing $1 million in funds and you're making 4% a month, that's 40K, right? If you make 5.5%, that's 55K on $1 million account. Hell, on a $100,000 account, that's $5,000. I think that'd be pretty good for a lot of people. So there's your strat. There's the results. Haven't shared it yet. Not sure when I'm going to share it or if I'm going to share it. I'm still thinking about that. I'm actually trying to tweak this right now into a different system and see can I get that to a spot where you either have a little bit higher risk reward ratio. Is there a different time of day that works just as well? Maybe there's multiple. Is there a couple of times a day that you could use the strategy? And so I'm still going back and forth and working on that. So, but that one works really well, obviously. So it is a scalping strategy, and I think it's going to work better on a futures account than it will on a Forex account because it is scalping. Most of the Forex brokers for scalping, your spreads are probably going to really eat in on your profits. So I imagine this would work better on a futures challenge than it would on a Forex challenge, but we'll find out in 2024. I'm here. You just have to say my name. Also, not cool calling me a fat whale. It's like the Chinese lady told me last night. You here 4 hour, go home now. I wasn't calling you a fat whale. I was just saying I was Moby Dick. You were my great white whale. I was no reference to your physical appearance. Happy anniversary, John. Man, I hope you and Ginger are having a great day today. Hope you treat her well. John is a regular viewer here on the stream, and he's Top Step famous. He's Top Step chat famous as well. So if you watch the Top Step TV account, you'll run into John over there quite a bit as well. But it's his anniversary today, so happy anniversary, John, man. Congratulations. It's a long time coming. He got married in 1995, so 28 years today. So way to go, buddy. What's up, Shadow Trades? Strat looks promising, but you'll get slipped to hell on any kind of decent size and it'll destroy your edge. Yeah, that's why futures, I think, is probably going to be the way to go. And you don't have to risk 1%. You could do a lower amount and, have a decent lot size and just chip away at it a little bit at a time. So the whole point is that it does work and that it is consistently profitable. And over almost 250 trades has a 75% win rate. So we'll see. I'm going to put it to the test, and we'll see exactly how well it works. Sebastian, really great. Yep. John, not going to share it. You act like it's your barbecue secret sauce. It's the Venator. It's the Venator Holy Grail. I don't know what it is. All right, getting break-even trade on this position right here on euro dollar, so that's fine. All right, we got 10 more minutes and we'll be doing our 100K giveaway. So hopefully you guys have reposted the tweet yesterday that we put up. Let me go. Married in 2001. Okay, well, shoot, dude, 21 years. Who cares? 20... Anything over 5 in these days and times, I think, is pretty miraculous. So 21 is well above average, my friend. 22. You got it. Oh, yeah, I can count. Thank you, math teacher, for correcting me live on the stream. I can't do math. Yeah, we're old. We are very old, dude. I'm almost 50. John's, I think, almost 50 or at 50. He may be older than me. I don't remember. Jenny C, how much time do you trading? How much, if your question is how long I've been trading, it's been almost 5 years now. If you're asking how much time I spend each day trading, about an hour and a half, not long. The minimum risk reward for the strategy that I had on the screen was 0.5. 0.5 R is your minimum risk reward. Let me go get that tweet, by the way. I need to go find it. This tweet right here, if you have not, this is the tweet that you need to repost. You need to repost that tweet if you haven't. If you've already done it, you don't need to do it again. But that's the tweet that you need to repost, and we will do the Twitter picker off of that. And you're going to have a pretty good shot at winning a 100K account. There's only like 34 people watching right now. So you're going to have like a 1 in 30 or 1 in 40 chance of winning a 100K account. I mean, there might be some more people pile in here in the last 10 minutes. So it's always fun. You do have to be present to win. So if the person that wins isn't on the stream, we'll redraw. And click that like button, man. Absolutely. Let's go. Let's get it. The last session for you, planning to go with my session next year. I'm always with the Asian session. Cool. Oh, best session for you. Best session for me is, well, it just depends. It depends. That's an interesting question because the best session for me probably is London, but I don't actually wake up to trade London. It's I use limit orders to get in and out of positions on London moves, and then they're activated, and then I'll manage them by the time I wake up. So, but live trading, New York, obviously. I'm not going to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning just to go manage a position for sure. Just repost, John. You don't have to. I mean, you're more than welcome to comment. In fact, I love reading your comments. You just have to repost it. What's the minimum win rate for this strategy? Well, if you have a point 0.5 RR, if you have a point 0.5 risk to reward ratio, like a 1 to point 0.5, you're risking 1 to make half of your 1. I believe it's 65% is break even. Maybe it's 60%. John, what's the math on that? That you have to do to break even on a less than 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. If it's 0.5, I believe it's either 60 or 65%. I can't remember. 66% to break even without fees. Yeah, so we're at 75% win rate and a 34% profit annual return. I mean, that's what real trading looks like, by the way. You're not making 30% a month. If you can make 3 to 4% a month, you're going to make 30% by the end of the year annualized. So that's what real risk management looks like anyway. So, but with fees, things change, and there's always fees. Yeah. I missed such a good setup that I was planning on sizing heavy, and I missed it by 2 minutes. I'm so strict on my entries that I let the play just go. I'm disappointed and proud at the same time. That's great, man. You don't want to chase a trade, and if you weren't able to execute it exactly the way you wanted, it's no big deal, dude. The market is like the ocean. There's another wave coming. There's another wave coming. Just get back on your surfboard, ride back out, and wait for the wave that you want to take. Catch the next one, man. That's real growth. Like you just said, real growth in trading is really just being able to recognize, hey, I'm going to be disciplined here. I'm not going to break my rules. It's because I break my rules that I am consistently still failing challenges or not getting payouts or blowing my live accounts or whatever it is. So truly self-discipline is probably the biggest game-changing personal growth that you can insert into your trading to really see exponential growth on the trading side of your career. It's self-discipline. It's maturity. It's emotional maturity. Not getting pissed off because you missed it by 2 minutes and then, full porting and going all in and then blowing up your challenge because you got pissed off and you let your little inner 5-year-old child take control of your trading account. So that's really ultimately the biggest downfall of most traders is the inability to consistently follow their own rules and to manage their emotions. And they just don't have the data. They don't have enough data for their strategy to even know if they have an edge. I think that's the other fault, is that they jump from strategy to strategy, and if they, for whatever I bet you the majority of traders out there trying to trade right now don't have 100 trades on any one strategy. I bet they're not even close. I bet after 10 to 15, 20 trades on any one strategy, they immediately jump and try to find another strategy. And then they'll put 15 or 20, 25 trades into that one. Maybe they have some success. Maybe it's break even. Maybe they blow a count. They're like, oh, this strategy doesn't work. And then they go to a new strategy. And the majority of traders don't have the data for at least 100 trades in the live market with the exact same strategy, executed the exact same way over the course of months at a time. Most traders don't have that. And if I think a lot of traders, if they would just put some time and effort and energy into sticking with one strategy, getting the data, and then refining the strategy off of that data, it would change how you view everything, man. It would change how you execute. You're not going to find any success jumping from strategy to strategy. You've got to stick to something. You have to. You've got to stick to something. And then let the probabilities play out. This is why casinos make money, because they don't change anything. They know what their house edge is, and they just let everything play out on every single game in their casino, and they know at the end of the year they're going to be profitable. They might have days where they lose money. They might have days where they make a lot of money. They might have multiple days where they lose money. But they know in the end the house has the edge because they know the data. They know statistics and probabilities, and your trading edge is a statistical probability model, whatever your trading edge is. It's got data that shows you at your model works X number of times over X number of days, and that's what you can bank on. All right, 3 more minutes, guys. We'll do this. So about 38 people coming in right now. John says, I've started market ordering more. When I was originally taught, that was verboten. It's been forbidden. It's been difficult and costly to change the incorrect concepts I was instilled with. Yeah, it is. It's very difficult. How do I enter the giveaway? You need to retweet. This post that I just put in the chat. Just retweet that post in the chat, and you'll be eligible to win. We will put it into the Twitter picker here in just a minute. It will pull all of the retweets, and then we'll pick a winner off of that. This is the last stream of the year, Ansab. Yes, sir, it is. Very last one. Davis, today I went down 5%. You went down 5% on one trade today, man? Davis, what's going on, buddy? Cisco, I'm going to have to give up the fade Venator strategy if you start using that. Well, you won't know it. You won't know that I'm using it. So had you faded Venator, you probably would have been multiple funded accounts, especially in September and October. September and October, had you faded Venator, you would have been very well funded right now. All right, Oswin, man. See you next year, buddy. Yeah, that's a great joke. It is probably one of my favorite. It's one of the best dad jokes. It's a top 10 dad joke. I've seen the best traders making 15 to 50K on small moves, just market order. They don't care about the exact entry price because they know the destination. Yep, you're right, man. And that's kind of what the strategy that I developed was. It's actually going to be stop orders, not limit orders or market orders. It's a stop order. It's a momentum play. And it's a quick momentum play, obviously. Just grabbing a few ticks out of the market or a few pips out of the market at a specific time every single day. That's it. That's all it is. And it could probably be coded to where you don't even, it could probably work with an EA extremely well. It's a very, very simple concept. When I share this, or if I charge you $99 for this, you would gladly pay it because you would feel bad for buying it for $100, but that $100 could turn you into a funded trader pretty well. Did I miss the dad joke? Yeah. He said, see you next year. This is the last stream of the year. It's the New Year's Eve, right? It's the end of the year. Oh man, I'll see you next year. Like next year's so far away, right? It's the annual see you next year joke. It is a classic. It doesn't get much better than that. All right, here we go. 9 a.m. Let me get up here and let me get this set up. Free Twitter Picker giveaway. Here we go. The twitterpicker.com is not working, so we're using simpliers.com or simpliers.com. I don't know what it is. And let me make sure you guys can see this on the screen, all of this. I don't want anyone accusing me of cheating here. So we're using this giveaway website. Here is the, I was just checking it earlier. I'm going to repaste the link here. Repaste the link. So this is, we've got 80 reposts, and there's only, who's watching right now? What, we got 37 people watching? Something like that, 38. So 80 people reposted, and they're not even here to win. Only half of you that reposted are here to win. All right. So there's the thing. We're going to go over the rules. The rules are name your contest, shared giveaway, number of winners for one. I can't. Let me see. No, must have biography. No, must be following Venator Bespoke. Sure, that's fine. Next, 80 entries found. So again, this may take a minute. If we keep picking people that aren't here, we'll have to keep going. So we're gonna do the free. Post already been tried one time for free. To continue, you should check out Pro Credits. Well, crap. I ain't paying for this. $3.90. I'm not paying for this. Well, shoot. I had to try it earlier. I didn't realize it was only going to give me one free giveaway. All right, hold on a second. The other ones, every time I tried to load it, it says there's a Twitter update and it won't load it. So let me see if I can find another one that's working. Is this, no, not doing that one. So Twitter does these updates, and these websites that use the all right, this one will pull in the actual tweet, but then it tries to scrape the retweets. Let's see if it works. It just spins. Yeah, it won't load it. It's trying to, but it won't load it. I might just have to spend the $3.90 to get the Simpliers to work. I didn't realize it would only let me do one free one, and then it makes you pay. Yeah, this one is just spinning. It won't do anything. And then this one, let's just check this one more time. The one we traditionally use, twitterpicker.com, won't even, it loads the tweet, and then, oh, it's working. All right. So we got 88 entries now. All right, here we go. Okay, so it looks like it's working. And I just want to go through, I'll just go through each page so you guys can see. We have 88 entries. There's everybody that we've got so far. And I always like to look through these because there's always a couple that try to get like multiple in there at a time. Those all look good. John Jones, there he is. Cool Gamer back in trying to win. Cool Flamer won a 10K account, man. Shadow's in here. Jordan, what's up? Cisco, Dunamis, Partha G, my boys. Yeah, a lot of Fiverr graphics on here. Bialamansky in. Aditya, welcome in, man. It's always good to see a lot of people that don't put in the chat, but you see them when they log in. Joe Biden with us today. Mr. President, thank you for joining us. Risk Flare, what's up? Trading Night. Matthew Hope, haven't seen you in a while, buddy. All right, that looks like everything. And Bespoke Funding Program. Bespoke, what happens if Bespoke wins their own 100K account? That'll be really interesting. All right, so we're going to click continue, and then we'll hit begin the draw, and then we're down to the winner. So again, this is given out to us by Bespoke Funding Program. They sponsor the live stream. Let me get back down. All right, here we go. 100K Classic Challenge with Bespoke Funding. If you win this, do not start trading this tomorrow or today or even Monday. It's Christmas. That would be stupid. Wait till January. If you get this account, wait till January. It's a 100K account, man. This literally could turn your life around if you manage this account the right way. So good luck to everyone. I hope to see you back in here and keep us updated on if you win this or not. I'd love to know how it goes. And I have yet to have anyone win a challenge and get funded. No one that has won a challenge with me yet has been able to get to the funded stage. So maybe you're the guy, maybe you're the girl. So good luck. Here we go. Drum roll. The winner is Jordan FX. Jordan FX, are you here in the chat? Please let me know ASAP. He's not here. Here they come. Here come the he's not here's. Jordan FX, are you here? I'm going to give you about 5-6 more seconds. There he is, Jordan MFX. He's here. He's here. He's here. Settle down, y'all. All right, Jordan, you win, buddy. Congratulations. You have won the $100,000 Classic Challenge from Bespoke Funding on Venator Trading's live stream today. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being here and part of that. And I hope that it works out great for you, man. Congrats. And, man, first one we draw, we had a 50-50 chance of someone not being here. And the first one we draw, we get the winner, and they're here. So way to go, man. So Jordan, please direct message me on Twitter. Send me a DM on Twitter, and I will get you all set up with Bespoke Funding to claim your 100K challenge with them. All right, man. Congratulations. I'm going to take a little screenshot of this so we can put that on the Twitters in just a little bit. All right, got the screenshot. Closing that down. And all right, we're good to go now. So congratulations, man. I know I was kind of hoping for some drama too. And whenever we do these big giveaways, there's always some kind of something happens. Double entries, bots showing up or something. But no, we were able to drama free today. John, I think that's, is that racist? I think that's racist, man. Come on. I know. John missed out on the first 10 minutes of Top Step TV today to be here for this. So everybody say bye to John because he's going to hop over to Top Step TV now. John, I really do hope you have a great anniversary, man. And no giveaway. This is the last stream of the year. Last stream of the year is today. We're not streaming anymore until the second week of January, so we're taking a couple weeks off, and we'll be up and ready for the new year. What is that? Is that like January? It's like, what is it? January 9th, I think, will be the next. The next live stream will be January the 9th, I believe. January 8th, Monday, January 8th. And that will be the first live stream of 2024. So, been a cool year, man. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and close it down for the stream, for the final stream of the year here. We're going to shut it down. Just some final goodbyes, some final great, some final thank yous just to all of you guys that show up here every single day, make this stream what it is. So very grateful for how you guys have supported everything that's been going on. Hope you have a great Christmas holiday. I hope you have a happy New Year's. Enjoy it. There's nothing to do on the charts between now and the second week of January. So just get off of them. Backtest if you want to backtest, whatever. Jump in our Discord channel. You can find. I'll post the link on Twitter or whatever. But yeah, man, you guys are awesome. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2024, baby. Adios, y'all.